Hello everyone, if you're trying to update League of Legends or Valorant and you keep getting this error, we were unable to successfully update your game, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on League of Legends or Valorant easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your C drive, and here you're going to find your program data folder. So if you can't see it, what you're going to do is you're going to go into view, you're going to go into show, you're going to click hidden files here, and here you have program data. You're going to open it up, and here you're going to find the folder called Riot Games. So just click on any folder, press R on your keyboard. Here it is. So you're just going to delete this folder, but before you delete it, you're going to go ahead and close Riot Games if it's running in the background. So just close it from here and then delete this folder. And after deleting this folder, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to update your League of Legends or Valorant, you'll see that your game will update correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.